one problem is there. See here what they are saying. Three charges particles are initially in position 1. They are free to move and they come in position 2 after some time. Let U1 and U2 be the electrostatic potential energy in position 1 and 2. Then four options they have given: U1 greater than U2, U2 greater than U1, U1 is equal to U2, and nothing can be said. See, it is very important and very good problem, concept based problem. See here, uh, they have not given anything, only they have given three charges are initially in position 1. दे आर फ्री टू मूव, वो फ्री है बेटा मूव करने के लिए, ठीक है. एंड दे कम इन पोजिशन 2 आफ्टर सम टाइम, थोड़ी देर बाद वो किसी पोजिशन 2 में आते हैं, ठीक है. और इनिशियल पोजिशन 1 की एनर्जी U1 है, पोजिशन 2 की एनर्जी U2 है. तो U1 U2 में क्या रिलेशन हो सकता है, हो भी सकता है या नहीं भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. तो ध्यान से सुनो बेटा, एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, ठीक है. हम हर जगह का वो कॉन्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर फ्री टू मूव अगर है तो वो हमेशा उसकी एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है क्या, कि वो अपनी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को लोअर करना चाहता है, ठीक है, लोअरिंग ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. तो अगर फ्री है, मूव कर रहा है, तो 100% क्या होगा बेटा, उसकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी और कम होगी. तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कम होने का मतलब क्या हुआ, अगर बाद की पोटेंशियल एनर्जी लेटर ऑन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज U2, तो U2 जो है वो क्या होगा बेटा, लेस देन U1. तो U2 इज लेस देन U1 का मतलब हम कह सकते हैं यहाँ पर क्या होगा, कौन सा, U2 इज लेस देन U1, मीन ऑप्शन ए विल बी करेक्ट. उसको हम दूसरे तरीके से भी इन अदर वे वी विल एक्सप्लेन कि सपोज 3 चार्जेस आई हैव टेकन पॉजिटिव चार्ज Q1, Q2 and Q3. After some time what happen, if they are free to move, so they will there will be the repulsion force, mean distance between them will increase. If distance between them will increase, mean what happen, potential energy will decrease. एक तरीके से ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं बेटा. अब सपोज 2 चार्जेस आर पॉजिटिव, 1 चार्ज इज नेगेटिव, ठीक है. तो दे पॉजिटिव चार्ज विल रिपेल ईच अदर and negative charge will attracted by this positive charge. The negative charge, they will attracted by positive charge. Here distance will decrease, mean negative potential will, the magnitude of negative potential will increase. That mean you can say net potential will decrease. In all cases you have seen, okay, if they are free to move, then what happen, potential energy after some time in position 2 it will decrease. So hence what happen, option A is the correct option. In another question, a hollow metal sphere of radius 5 cm is charged such that potential on the surface is 10 volt. The potential at the center, this is charged sphere. The potential on the surface is 10 volt. What will be the potential at center? They have given this is 5 cm. See here, when a hollow sphere is there, if we are giving the potential at the surface, since electric field inside hollow sphere is 0, this means they are forming equipotential surface. The total all over inside they have same potential, mean at the center or at this point or at the surface, total each and everywhere potential will be 10 volt. So see here what will be the options. They have asked the potential at center of sphere. So potential at surface at center of sphere will be 10 volt. So this will be the correct 10 volt. 0, it will not happen. Same as center 5 cm away from the surface. So see here, 5 cm away from the surface potential will decrease. So this option is also wrong. and option A and C both they have given, so this is also wrong. So here correct answer will be 10 volt. So remember one thing, if a hollow sphere they have given, inside electric field will be 0. If E will be 0, the what we know, E is equal to minus dV upon dr. So E is equal to 0 mean dV is equal to 0, mean they are forming equipotential surface. If equipotential surface is there, so inside each and every point potential is same. So surface if potential is 10 volt, so at center also the potential will be 10 volt. So here B option will be correct. If the electric potential of inner metal cell is 10 volt, that of outer cell is 5 volt, then potential at center will be. One very important question is there, and net purpose and JEE also, it is very important question. Inner cell then 10 volt, outer cell 5 volt. Radius inner is R, outer is 2R. What will be the potential at center? Remember one thing, potential. If there is cell, the inside electric field is 0. I have told. Electric field 0 mean they are behaving like a equipotential surface. So total potential inside this will be same. The potential at center will be what? Potential at center, this is 10 volt. If 10 volt inner cell they have given, the inside it will behave like a equipotential surface. The potential at each and every point within radius R, they all have same potential, mean 10 volt. No effect of 5 volt. So see here, in very confusing question, many students are confused. See, if inner cell has potential 10 volt, the inside within radius R, this is small r, all have same potential, and this will be 10 volt. So answer of this question is 10 volt, because they have also potential at the center. One more question is there. Figure shows this is radius R1, this is radius R2. Figure shows a thick metallic sphere. This is thick metallic sphere. This is thick metallic sphere. And this thick metallic sphere they have given, it is given a charge plus Q. Electric field will be present. See here, thick metallic sphere, if we are giving charge, so this charge will retain on the surface. This charge will come on the surface, and inside, total inside within this surface, electric field will be 0. I have told many times, electric field cannot retain inside the metallic sphere. So each and every point from 0 to R2, there will be electric field will be 0. What they are asking, electric field will be present in the region. So see here, within R2, all each and every point electric field will be 0. So what will be the correct option? Mean only outer of this electric field present. That mean the point should be what? The region should be what? Greater than outer. Sorry, this R is greater than R2 only. There will be electric field will be present. So here you can say option B will be correct. R less than R1, electric field 0. R less than R1, electric field 0. And here also less than R2, electric field will be 0. So only B option will be the correct.